To combine audio tracks in Audacity, start by locating the folder where your audio files are stored. To ensure the tracks are arranged properly, rename them and assign numbers starting from 1, depending on the order you want. Once you have renamed all the audio files, open Audacity and drag and drop all the files into the timeline. If renaming is not an option, you can manually adjust the order by grabbing the audio from the left side and moving it above or below other tracks. To align the audio tracks one after another, go to the top menu bar, click on Select, and then choose All. This will select all the tracks. Next, go to Tracks, then Align Tracks, and select Align End to End. Audacity will automatically arrange the tracks in sequence. If you want to combine all the tracks into a single track, go to Tracks, then Mix, and finally select Mix and Render. This will merge the audio files into one. That is how you combine audio tracks in Audacity.